It's like the parable that Jesus tells, right? We get 5 talents, 2 talents, 1. And the person who gets 1 talent isn't supposed to, hey, I need 5. The point is, if you get 1, just serve the crap out of your 1. And maybe if all of us serve the crap out of our 1, and then collectively, over time, the beauty of the church will emerge. My name is Gideon Sang, and we're here at Space 12, and it's a shared community space in East Austin. And it was started by Vox Venier, a church that we helped start in 2006. Austin Chinese Church is an immigrant church in town. They've been around since the 70s. And they wanted to start a church that could be more a part of what Austin is known for. You know, the music, the creativity, the center of the city and the ethos. If we're in Austin, you know, hopefully we're a church that feels like we're part of Austin. And so the space is as it is just because we have people in our community that's what they're good at. And that's how they express their faith. The church didn't start in East Austin, but we're in East Austin now. So East Austin we love, but it's an interesting but also complicated, you know, community, which is historically Black and increasingly Latino and then transitioning. And so we're in the heart of it. For better or for worse, we definitely connect better to the transitioning community, but that's not necessarily great for the neighborhood. So our liturgy on Sunday then, do I change the way I speak? Maybe should we do more hip hop? And then so, you know, we talked about all those things, but it just seemed really disingenuous. And we said, well, no, we're not going to do that. But a lot of us live here, so let's become good neighbors. There's this book by Steve Johnson called Emergence. Has anyone read it? He looks at all these seemingly insignificant actions and choices. The ant just does whatever it smells, and then it seems meaningless. But if you look at it collectively and at a large scale, it seems like there's intelligence and meaning and orchestration behind it. And the same thing with cities and how they're formed. And I think that's a beautiful picture of the church. And what if us in this proclamation, maybe a lot of it, it's like Mother Teresa, right? Mother Teresa said, not all of us can do great things, but we should all do small things with great love. And in these seemingly disconnected acts, maybe as communities gather and you do it collectively, and then you do it over time, that the orchestration and the beauty and the proclamation of that will come out. I think God is in everything. And I think that the American Christian subculture has this posture of the world is evil, and therefore we need to kind of create our own subculture and then hide out in it. And where we see it, well, I think that the world has a lot that's beautiful, and the image of God is in everyone, and that's expressed. But then the world is also kind of broken, and in our selfishness, that's there as well. And so let's engage in and participate in it, and then find God in it, and find redemption in things. And so I think you can do that with art. You can do that with, anything.